Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Imagine earning $50,000 a month without showing your face, without any investment, and without working 9 to 5. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do it through YouTube automation. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking for passive income, this is your ultimate guide. Make sure to stick around till the end because I'll reveal some pro strategies and the most profitable niches that can take you to $50,000 per month fast. Let's dive in. Why YouTube automation works. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Every day, billions of people watch videos and YouTube pays creators based on ad revenue. But here's the game changer. You don't need to be on camera or even create the content yourself. That's where YouTube automation comes in. You manage the channel while outsourcing video creation. And the profits, they're all yours. High-paying niches like finance, tech, and luxury have CPMs as high as $20 to $50 per thousand views, which means massive income potential. How much can you earn? Let's do the math. Suppose your channel is in the finance niche with a CPM of $20. If a video gets 1 million views, that's $20,000 from just one video. Now, imagine posting 10 videos a month. Even if only a few go viral, you're easily hitting $50,000 a month. And ad revenue is just one stream. You can also earn through affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. Let's break down how to build your YouTube automation empire. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Pick a niche that's both popular and high-paying. Here are some of the best ones. Finance, investing, crypto, stock market tips. Tech gadgets, reviews, unboxings, luxury lifestyle, high-end cars, travel, health, fitness, workouts, wellness, toys, motivation, success, business tips, self-improvement. Step 2. Research high-demand content. Your content should solve problems or entertain. Use SEO, vidIQ and TubeBuddy for trending topics, Google Trends for popular searches, competitor analysis to see what's working and do it better. Step 3. Build your team outsource so you can focus on strategy, culture, and script writers $20, $50 per script, voiceover artists $30, $100 per voiceover, video editors $50, it's $150 per video. Thumbnail designers $10 to $30 per design. Start small and reinvest profits to scale up. Step 4. Optimize for maximum views. Your video's visibility depends on thumbnails. Bold, colorful, click-worthy, targeted with titles curiosity-driven with numbers. SEO keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags. Step 5. Monetize and scale. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, apply for YouTube's partner program. But don't stop there. Affiliate links recommend products, earn commissions. Sponsorships. Brands pay to feature their products. Digital products. Sell courses, ebooks, and guides. Reinvest profits into launching multiple channels in different niches for diversified income. Real-life success stories. Don't just take my word for it. Look at these successful channels. Top 5 Best earns $50,000 a month with listicle videos. Alex.com makes 6 figures with luxury content. The Richest built a multi-million-dollar brand through automation. They followed the same process I'm sharing, and so can you. Mistakes to avoid. Before you start, avoid these common mistakes. Wrong niche, low CPM, or low demand won't work. Poor quality, bad audio, and lazy editing kill engagement. Inconsistent uploads. YouTube rewards consistency. Ignoring SEO, unoptimized videos get buried. Conclusion. The beauty of YouTube automation is that once you set up the system, it runs itself. Imagine earning $50,000 a month while your team handles the work. It's possible, and it starts with taking the first step. So if you're ready for financial freedom, start today. Even if you're a beginner, this is your chance. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and let me know in the comments if you want a detailed guide on building your YouTube automation empire. See you in the next video.